Every day, over 8,000 teams are using HubStaff to track time, make payments, and manage successful remote teams. Using our apps, your employees can track time with ease, no matter where they're working. You can get a bird's eye view of a team member's work with screenshots, URL tracking, and GPS monitoring. These settings are fully customizable and can be turned off completely for individual employees. Productivity data is instantly viewable on your dashboard. These in-depth reports make it easy for you to understand how your teams work best. With this time tracking data, you can invoice clients directly or send them work reports. To work with whatever tools your teams use, HubStaff integrates with the industry's top project management applications. You can understand exactly how much time is being spent on the tasks that you're assigning. With our Chrome extension, you can start and stop time directly within your team's tools. Then use that time tracked for more accurate billing, payment to employees, reduced admin costs, and understanding project profitability. When work is complete, the automatic payroll system will make paying your team effortless. Payment features come without additional fees. All these features make HubStaff the premier time tracking tool for remote teams. Sign up for free right now.
Activtrak helps organizations track, analyze, and manage their team's behavioral data, optimize individual and company-wide workflows, analyze behavioral metrics to understand employee activity, track every activity with a comprehensive activity log, use risk scoring to understand your riskiest users and their activity, capture screenshots as evidence of unwanted behavior. Create a free account now.
So let me ask you this. Do you track how much money you spend in your business? Of course you do, right? I mean, you'd be crazy not to track where you spend money. But do you track exactly where time is spent in your business? See, where your team spends their time is even more important than where your business spends money. Because you can make more money, but time is lost forever. That's why we created Time Doctor. Time Doctor gives you advanced time use analytics for the workday. You'll know exactly where you and everyone on your team are spending time. Hey, look, don't run your business blindfolded. Time Doctor can show you where time is spent, so you can improve the efficiency of your business. Try Time Doctor free for 30 days and get detailed time and activity analytics for your organization.
Running a multi-unit restaurant can be a little overwhelming. Squeezing out razor-thin margins from handling mammoth tasks like manager logbook, store audits, guest complaints, and maintenance tasks is not an easy job. On top of this, you need to keep your employees motivated. Handling all of this for each of your locations makes your head go kaboom. That's the reason we created WorkPulse, enterprise-class apps for quick-service restaurants at an affordable cost. Our cloud-based, easy-to-use mobile apps empower you to collect and store operational information very easily with an intuitive enterprise dashboard, built-in compliance, push notifications, real-time status, store-by-store visibility, and reporting abilities. WorkPulse lets you access all your data from anywhere at any time. With actionable insights available, you can make informed decisions in real time. To make it even simpler, you have to log in just once to access all your apps and manage not just one, but multiple locations. Reduce overhead, save time, increase productivity, and see your profits skyrocket. WorkPulse, the pulse of your organization in the palm of your hand. Sign up for a free no-obligation trial today.
This is Nuri-based performance expectation versus what we have now. Research shows that employee productivity is at most 53%, causing billions of dollars labor waste for companies. Time management problems, valuable hours lost in social media, motivation lost due to improper performance judgments are the #1 reasons of decreasing productivity. Birkin measures employee productivity, supports you in decision-making processes about your company and employees. Birkin gathers information about how your employees make use of their working times, analyzes daily, weekly, monthly, and annual productivity in detail. Birkin evaluates their performance with BQ points calculated from employee activities. You may customize Birkin with many more features as needed by your company. Find focus in the modern workplace with Birkin. Birkin.com.